Hello friends, how are you? My name is Arun. In this video, I am going to discuss about one important interview question, that is write a program to find out product of sum of given character indexes and the sum of remaining characters indexes in the given string. So note friends, so the string contains, that means the input string contains only characters, digits and spaces. What is the meaning friends? So let me explain the program. If you see here, already I have taken one string. The string is hello world. So if you see 0, 1, 2, 3, these are the corresponding characters indexes friends. So if they give you one character, one letter, say assume that L. So what are the indexes of L? Like in how many places it is available? So 0, 1, 2 comma, say 3 comma, and 8 friends. Why 2, 3, 8 friends? 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in second position it is available. I mean, second index it is available. In third index it is available. Eighth index is available. So you have to find out the sum friend. What is that friends? 2 plus 3 plus 8 equal to how much? 13. So what are the remaining characters? These are the remaining characters. See friends, say 0 plus 1 plus 2 not required. Already we have taken. 3 also not required. Say 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus say 7, 8 is not required. 7 already, 8 is not required. 9 friends. So find out the sum friends. What is that? 1 minute. Say 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 5, 10, 16, 16 plus 7, like 23 and 32 friends. So you have to find out like 13 into 32 friends. So that is I am expecting. Okay. Like, string contains spaces as well and digits as well it contains. But other than spaces, other than characters, other than digits, if string is containing any other character, it is a invalid string, friends. So there is a requirement. I hope you understood. If you are not understanding the requirement, let me know in the comment box, friends. Let me definitely I'll make a separate video and I'll explain that one. And let me go to the program friends. See, already I have taken these things friends, scanner object, and I'm trying to print one message on the screen. After that I have taken string input is equal to sc dot next line. So instead of next, why I have taken next line is, see, spaces also I want friends. Okay, if your string contains any spaces, if you take next line, it will read the entire string. Suppose if you are using next, if any string contains spaces, it will ignore. So there's a difference. Okay, first what I am doing is let me, I have to check whether the input string is valid or not. For that one, I am taking one method here. So it's not a predefined one, it is a user defined one. Okay, it will return what is that? One boolean value. I'm sorry, the spelling mistake. Okay, yeah, 1 minute, friends. Create a method. So I'm creating my own method here. Whenever you are calling is valid, what will be happen? The input string will be copied into here only, friends. So here, what I am doing, very simple, friends. See, for loop I am taking, okay, entire each and every character I have to check. That's why I am taking integer I equal to 0, say I less than input str dot say length and I plus plus. Okay. Inside, what I am doing is I am taking one wrapper class help. What is that? Character wrapper class, friends. So character dot. So to check whether it is a digit or letter, how can we check, friends? One thing is there, friends. Each letter or digit is there. So this method is the responsible to check whether it is a letter or digit. Okay. Then what I am doing is input str dot caret of hi friends. So not only the string contains not only character, not only digit, it should contain spaces as well, right? So that's why what I am doing is I am checking one more condition here. Say character dot each space. Okay. Here also just I am taking input str dot caret of 5 friends. So what I am doing is, so it will give you true. When it will give you true, like whether it is a letter or digit or space. So what I am doing is simple things I am doing, friends. Other than letter, other than digit, other than space, if I am getting anything, that means the whole thing is false. I'm checking. Okay, flag equal to. So I'm taking true and false. I'm taking. What is the flag here? Simple. Boolean flag equal to true. Finally, what I am doing is I am returning that flag value. Not false here. Flag you have to return. That's it. So simple, friends. By using each valid method, what I am doing is any valid character is there or not. I mean, in any invalid character is available is there in the string or not. If any invalid string, then what I am returning? I am returning false value only. Okay. One more thing. If any invalid character, no need to check remaining characters. Simply use break here. So come up here. Based on this flag value, I'll decide whether I need to process it or not. So simply in else block, what I am writing system.out.println say input string is not a valid string. That's it, friends. So if the flag equal to true means what is the meaning of true, friends? True means it is a valid string. So here what I am doing is just I am asking the user what is the character we need. Enter your character. That character I am reading, friends. Say char ch equal to. So I don't have any other option, friends. Like we don't have any next char method to read this one. For that one, what I am doing is I am taking the next. From this one, I am taking first character only. Friends, if you know any other how to read character from the keyboard, if you have any methods, please let me know in the comment section. Definitely, I'll try to learn it, friends. So because of this one, I'll get one character. Now I am taking two counter indexes. Say count equal to 0, integer count 2 equal to 0, friends. So why two counters I am taking? One counter for to find the sum of given character indexes and counter two for remaining characters indexes. So just I am taking one for loop here. Inside the for loop, each and every character I have to check. It's like integer I equal to 0, I less than say input string dot not character. I'm sorry. Say length I am taking. Say I plus plus. Any errors? Remove one thing, friends. Yeah, that's it. Now just I am checking if ch equal to say str not str, say input str dot caret of I. So if it is matching, simply count one equal to say count one plus I, friends. Indexes you have to add it, friends. Otherwise you can write like this also, count plus equal to what is that I also. Both are same, friends. Whatever you want, you can take it. Else, what is the meaning of else? The given character is not matched with the character. So in that case, what I am doing, count to equal to count 2 plus I am taking. Here simple thing, friends. Count plus equal to not count plus, count 1 plus, friends. Count 2 plus equal to I, friends. I hope you understood, friends. So finally, once everything is done, then come out from this for loop and system.out.println just count 1 into count 2, friends. That's it, friends. Let me check whether my logic is working fine or not. Just I am giving welcome to Arun. videos. Enter which character you are looking for. I am looking for E, friends. See, the product is 5330. You can check it, friends. So welcome to Arun videos. So you can take the indexes like 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on. And first what it will check, it will find out indexes of the E. So here what is that? 1 and this one also. And this one. 3 times it is available. 3 places indexes it will get it, and it will find the sum. And what about remaining thing? And remaining characters indexes also it will find the sum. And finally will find out the product of given two sums, friends. I mean, I hope you understood, friends. So one more thing, friends. Suppose if I give any invalid thing, say at the rate of run. So at the rate run is not a valid string. Why it is not valid string, friends? Because it is a invalid string only. I hope you understood, friends. Like if you are not understand, I mean, if you are not able to understand, or if you have any concerns, please let me know in the comment section, friends. And one more thing, if you have your own problems, and please let me know in the comment section. Definitely, I'll try to make a separate video on that, friends. Thanks a lot, friends. Thanks a lot for watching my video.